Bertie. Put it. Bertie. Oh,
it's like a little cute babe. And then put this on
YouTube.
yeah, cute baby animals. Look
Oh.
at him fluffing up.
We love it. We love it.
Oh.
He's flicking
We
water
love it.
everywhere.
We love it. We love it.
Look at him.
We love it.
We should put this in his cage.
We love it. We love it. Oh.
We love you. Look, he like fell. Cute baby animals. He looks like a rabbit,
He's
like a
trying
baby
to wet his
rabbit.
wings.
Oh yeah, he is. We love you. We need a bigger. Now he's gotten into it. He really likes it. Let me.
It's flicking it everywhere. It's all over my phone.
We can.
Look, it's all over around here. Now he's in it, Bella. He likes it now. He's seen what it does.
No,
Oh, look
back
at
in.
him now.
Not in the car.
Back in. Back in. Back
Oh,
in.
he doesn't have to stay in. He
Yeah, get
just,
back in.
just don't let him run on the cards. Ew, you look like a wet rabbit now.
Yeah, he does. He looks all muddy now.
Get it back in. Put it back in now.
The Adventures of Bird.
Oh, BJ. I was filming him on the iPad and then he jumps up there and puts his bum hole over the camera.
Let's go see it, the family one.
Yeah,
Where is it, Bella?
I don't know.
It's
Betty!
it's in you.
Betty! Betty!
And Bella had it.
Betty! This is like this morning. Betty. Betty.
Bella, where is it?
Betty. I don't know.
Look at here. Let me move my finger to see how wet he is.
No.
Let me.
Stop!
No. This will make him even better for the movie. Whoa. Oh, look at them.
Goodbye, Bert.